Hello Internet, Parag Dhawan here. In this video, we will see how to create data frame using list. So in the first example, we have created a list containing 6 elements, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 elements. And we have called Pandas data frame function and pass this list as an argument to the data frame function. This will create a data frame stored in df variable. If you print the df variable, a data frame is created containing row labels as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and column labels as 0. It contains 5 elements 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you want to change the label names of column as well as rows, then you can pass them as parameter. So in the second example, we are creating a list. Each list contains 2 elements, name and age of a person. So Alok name age 10, Bhushan age 12, Chitra age 13. So Alok, Bhushan and Chitra will be one column. 10, 11, 13 will be another column of a data frame if the data frame is created using data variable. So to create a data frame, we call pd.DataFrame function, pass it as a parameter, the two-dimensional list. So first column will be the name, Alok, Bhushan, Chitra. Second column will be the age, 10, 12, 13. Now, if you don't provide this column keyword argument, then your column label will be 0, 1 and your row label will be 0, 1, 2. You can see row labels are 0, 1, 2. But as you pass keyword argument, column is equal to inside a list, name of the columns, name and age. So 0 and 1 are converted into name and age. If you print the data frame on the user screen, you can get 0, 1, 2, name, age printed on the user screen. Click on the cell and run the cell. You can see data frame. It is a two-dimensional label data structure containing 3 rows and 2 columns. Moving to the next example, where we create a data frame from same data variable. Column names are name and age, and we also pass data type as float. So all the numeric value in the data frame data list will be converted into float, and then the data frame will be created. So click on the cell and run the cell. When you print the data frame, you have row indices 0, 1, 2, column names as name and age, and you can see the numeric value are converted into data type float, 10.0, 12.0, 13.0. That's it regarding this video, wherein we have created data frame from a single list and data frame from a list of lists, where using indices and columns keyword argument, we can change the names of columns as well as names of rows, for using which we can assess the element of the data frame. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content.